I love you, Sean. Yes, Sean, baby. Mommy loves you. Sean. Hello, hello, world. Sean, Mommy loves you. Ay, what do you want? What do you want? Mommy? Sean's playing. Sean's playing. Hide and seek. Oh, there's Sean. Sean, let me see your dimple, anak. Where's your dimple, baby? Where's your dimple? Ah, I love you. I love you, Mommy. Can you show me your dimple? Can you show me? Can you show me? Show me. Yee. Can you show me your dimple, baby? I love you. Bye. Hello. Hello, world. Yay. I love my baby. I love my baby, Sean. Love you so much. Yes. Baby. Ay, what do you want? Ay. Playtime. Playtime, my baby. Playtime. Yay! Play with mommy. Play with mommy. Cutie, cute, cute. Sean, baby. I love you. Ay, playing. I love you, Sean. I love you so much. Cutie. Ang bright ng mata mo, anak. Oh. Konting chinito naman, baby. Konting chinito naman. Ang bright, bright. Yan, litan mo pa. Sa dami makukuha sa mommy, bright eyes pa. I love you. Double chin ng baby ko, growing so fast. Growing so fast. Yee, show me your dimple. Ay, wag ka munang maiinis. Ay, we'll show this to Daddy later, Daddy's buying you some things. Chinchoy. Paningin daddy mo, bibili ng net for you para walang mosquitoes. Ay, don't cry. No, tapos na feeding time eh. Baby, you're still hungry? You're still hungry, my Sean? Baby? Sean? Sean Christopher, I loves you. Loves you, loves you, loves you. I loves you, loves you, loves you. Sean, baby. Playtime. Playtime, my baby. Playtime, my baby. Oh, playtime. Playtime, baby ko. My baby's playing. Bait-bait. Never kami pinahirapan ng Sean ko. Kahit sa tiyan pa lang ng mami yan, mabait na yan. I love you. Super love. I love you, baby. I love you. I love you, Sean. I love you. I wash you. I wash you too. I love you, baby. I love you. Oh, yawning. Give me a big yawn. Ay, it's a big yawn. Ay, it's a big yawn, my baby. Woohoo! It's a big yawn, baby. Yes, playtime. Woohoo! Ah, you're sleepy na. You slept all day. You slept all day, baby. Sleeping ulit. Sleeping. Sleeping ang baby namin. Oh. Yee, you're still hungry? Is my baby Sean still hungry? Nag-feed na kay mommy yan eh. Is my baby still hungry? No, not anymore. Playtime lang. Sayang oh, sana ganitong oras nag-webcam tayo kila Lola. Oh, kaninang morning, tulog ka lang palagi eh. I love you. I love you, baby. Hee. Reach. Nope. I love you, baby. Love ni mommy. I love you, baby. Love you. Love you. Ay, hindi ko nakita ni daddy na ganyang katagal nagising. Ay, mamaya darating daddy mo. Bait ng anak ko, oh. Bait ni Sean, baby. Yee. Huwag ka muna pupupu para hindi iiyak ang baby. Later na lang. I love you. Siya. Ay! Natanggal na si Mittens kagad. Show me your hands. Oops, you might scratch it. Wait lang, baby, ah. You might scratch your hand. Uy, ilan fingers ni Sean? 5. Ang bait ng babing yan.
Kain na lang kayo ni Anton.
Oo, paunahin mo na siya. Hindi daw dito kakain si mama.
Ano?
Hindi daw dito kakain si mama.
Kakain na lang tayo. Ginatagilid man ito, Chan.
Tagilid ba? Ay, sorry baby. Hindi ka pwede tagilid.